Yeah, good morning everyone. Myself, E.D. Ravi. I am working as a assistant professor in NLA Degree College from past 8 years, and I'm going to teaching all the management subjects for all the management students. And in the recent APCET results, I qualified in management subject with 60.68 percentage. That is in unreserved category. So I'm feeling very happy to share this information with you all. And when it comes to my experience point of view, it's not a 2 months task, it's not a 6 months task. Nearly from past 1.5 year, I have started this preparation. And actually, my intention, my goal is to crack the GRF and NET also. But fortunately, I gave an attempt to this APCET 2020. Okay. In that, I got that percentage. And for doing these, for preparing these kind of exams, really lot much of practice is needed. Okay, it's not a theoretical exam. Okay, it's a competitive exam. So obviously, when you prepare a lot for these kind of exams, so to crack these kind of exams, it's not a big thing. You can easily crack this kind of exams. And and many of you don't know what is the purpose of these SET or NET or to crack the GRF. Okay, I'll tell you the three things, the three purposes of this APCET or NET or GRF. Okay. The main purpose of this kind of SET exam is you are eligible as an assistant professor for any degree college. And the second purpose is you are eligible to do any PhD works in the universities. And the third purpose is if there is any vacancies in universities, you are the most preferable person to fill the vacancies. And what I'm suggesting to all those who are preparing for the SET or NET is, please follow the three things. The first thing is you should have a clarity on the syllabus copy first of all. You should know what are the contents were there, what are the topics were there in the syllabus. Okay. And you have to prepare all the concepts. Nearly 6 months you have to prepare all the concepts. And once after preparing that concepts, then what you have to do is you should make a practice of all those concepts. Practice, that's very important. Okay, and once you practice that multiple choice questions, then what you have to do is you should revise once again. Why? Because if you just only prepare the concepts, okay, once the exam commences, you cannot remember those concepts and all. So revision is very important for these competitive exams. Okay, and here I am very thankful to the one academy, that is AIMS Academy. Okay, before of this APCET exam, 2 months before, I saw one channel, that is AIMS Academy. Really, I felt very happy. In that AIMS Academy channel, there is one professor called Professor Ahmad Basha. His classes are very interesting, and his classes are creating one confidence to every aspirant, that is a SET aspirant or NET aspirant. Really, I felt very happy for his teaching and all. So I'm very thankful to Professor Ahmad sir also. Okay, and what I'm going to suggesting for the students who are preparing for NET or SET is, really, if you don't prepare for the exam just to to qualify in the exam and all. First of all, you should have a curiosity on research work. For cracking this SET or NET exam, first what you need to have is you should have a curiosity on research. Okay. Why? Because research is very important part in this SET or NET exams. Okay. And you must very aware of the current affairs. Mainly in this NET or SET exam, it involves two papers. The paper 1 is research and teaching aptitude, and paper 2 is your specialized subject. Many of you will think that to qualify in the paper 2 it's very easy. Why? Because that's your specialization subject. But actually you should more focus on both the papers. Mainly first paper 1 is very important. Okay, that is teaching and research aptitude. Why? Because almost of the questions they will ask the current affairs in teaching and research aptitude, like communication related questions, higher education related questions, people and environment related questions. So you need to have a current affairs knowledge about these areas and all. Okay, that's very important. And one more thing what I would like to tell you is, okay, when you have a strategy of cracking this NET or SET exam, please don't start once the notification has released. Okay, please start for preparation. Okay, at least one year before or 1.5 year before. then you will get a confidence to crack the exam. Okay. Here reservation and all, it's not a matter when you have such a confidence to prepare for the exam. So for these competitive exams, what I got the experience is, okay, making a practice is very important, revision is very important, and mainly preparing a keynotes, that's very important for these competitive exams. Okay. And thanks for everyone, those who supported for my success and all, especially Pani sir, okay, who is a best supporter for me. He guided a lot to me, okay, and he is working as a assistant professor, okay, and he is preparing for groups exams, and he qualified in prelims also. He guided a lot to me. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.